Hi, this is Ezovion mobile app. Here we have two types of login. One is doctor and patients. Now I logged in here patient. Here we have to enter mobile number and password. I have already created one patient so that I am directly logged in here. So this is a home page for the particular patient. From here we can book an appointment. Also we can able to join video call for this particular appointment, and also we have a reminder option. So we can set reminder for this particular appointment. So if we set the notification will be pop up on mobile, so that patient can remind about their appointments. So from here we can also join a call to connect with the doctor. So now I'm waiting in your lobby so the doctor can join the call. So here the doctor has joined the call, and this video call has end-to-end encryption, and also we have multiple options here. We can mute, or else we can swap front and back camera, or else we can mute our video. And that's all.